So this is a photo of you, which was our last presenter. You met him. So you see all these immersive projections are creating the green sparklets and the lighting artifacts on him. Let's try remove background, switch out to our Miami sky and click harmonize. Just give it a few seconds to see the magic happen. Voila.
Wow.
Let's check out the before and after. All the lighting artifacts get removed, and we also cast the Miami sunlight on him. And next, I have a photo of Paul. Everyone knows Paul. Paul is our stage producer this year. Okay, I think he's somewhere here. And you know, he's a super cool person. We love him. And so is the lighting on him. You see the green and purple, everything. Let's try to remove background and click harmonize one more time to see what our model can handle for this kind of cases. Just a few seconds. Look at that. So let's check out the before and after to see how our model perfectly handled all the relighting while also preserving the facial identities and structures on him. Sorry, Paul didn't remove wrinkles. Okay. Okay, I think I made too much jokes. Right, this is a photo of our next presenter, Rudy. Well, okay, this doesn't show you anything because it's too dark and we barely see anything for her, so we don't really know what he looks like. Let's just do this thing one more time and let me uncover how she looks like in real life. How delightful is that? No, wait, I should say delightful. All right, before, after, one more time. Okay, with all that, I just secretly collected everyone's photo. You know, that's what I do. And I process them through my harmonization models. And with some additional help from my designer friends, we created this perfect poster.
Hold on for a while, and boom!
Oh, what just happened? I really want
In just no time, my sketch got converted to this layout. Pretty great start, right? And the best part, it's completely editable. Let me make some few edits here. Hold on, just got a word that the folks backstage are pulling up a stopwatch. So we'll simply skip to the final design that I made with some more edits, and this is how it looks. Spooky enough? But my work does not end here. I also needed it in different sizes for my Instagram post and standing banner, and that means having to redesign it for each new size. Let me just try that. Only if it was this simple. But no worries, Project Remix a lot to our rescue. I have this layout variation feature right here, and it can remix my design in different standard sizes. Look at that.
Performance enhancements, homies. All right, let's move over to the meat and potatoes. So, I made this illustration here. I'm almost done, right? I just feel like there's something missing. So I made these really cool icons to decorate my illustration with. They're here. I'm gonna zoom up on this one right here. All right? See these 4 fins right there? I want to align these 4 fins perfectly around this red circle. Now we could do that already, right? With the rotate tool, we put a center anchor point, a number value, you know, just a little bit of a back and forth. We don't want to do any of that anymore, all right? Because we have this awesome tool here called Objects on Path. Check this out, I just click on this, bring right here, boom, hey! Hey! Hey, watch this! I'm gonna rotate all of these. What's up, homies? All right, I'm gonna change the space in between these right here. Hey, super useful. All right, let's go ahead and expand this right here. Sweet. And then I'm gonna group my icons. Or group this icon, I mean. Sweet. I'm gonna zoom out right here. We're not done. We're not done with objects on path yet, right? Like I said, I wanna decorate my illustration with these icons. Now, this is a bit more of a difficult task, right? These are grouped elements. They're not simple shapes. What will objects on path do with something this difficult? Let's see. Boom! What? Oh, what? What? Oh, okay. I can do all the same exact stuff I could do before. Watch this. Hey, Star, I want you to move down here. Okay, cool. Hey, Moon, I want you up here, homie. No, I want you over here. Nice. That is objects on path.
Brown, this would be a very difficult shot to track in any app. But well, we got some magic in the works for you guys. Just gonna click that, and again, we're gonna do it live. Let's talk about those soon-to-be over days when we would sit at our computer trying to master track hair, and tears would be falling, and we would be getting all of the carpal tunnels. Oh my gosh. Probably a lot of coffee breaks, which we're not gonna be able to do those very much longer, y'all. That's a problem. Okay, it's done. Put your violins away. I can't cry for too much longer. And we're just gonna, real quick, we're gonna do some boom, boom, boom. Let's see, we're gonna take our dancers back to Miami 1965. We're gonna put on a jam to celebrate, and let's go. Look at that! Ay, Dios mío! Ay, Dios mío, qué bonito. Mira. Real quick, I'm gonna grab my object select tool. Look at this.
Yes.
Qué bonito! I just hover over my gorgeous cats, and object selection sees it all. And I just want to point out the complexity of this video. Guys, this is all very similarly toned, very demure, very similar cues. Object selection is on it, no problem. All right, let's get to work though. Back in my Frame.io panel, Jordan says, can you mask this space dancer out of the shot? Ay, Dios mío. Again, normally I would be crying about it. You know why? Because I'd have to take little pen tool and I'd have to go around and make clicks all around every single one of these edges. I'd need to go frame by frame moving those little, it's gonna take forever. I don't wanna do that, not today. Okay, I'm gonna grab my object select tool. We're gonna make 2 clicks and we're gonna start tracking live right now on stage. And for my non-video folks out there, what am I talking about? I'm talking about making a mask that has to shape shift with the object that you have selected. This takes a lot of time, and I can't even explain it to you because it's already done. So here we go. So let's just go in. Look at that! Woo! That's incredible. Why? I barked it. Why couldn't I just hold it a little longer every time? Okay, no problem. Check this out. We're gonna erase that as though it never happened, okay? Again, grabbing my Gen Extend tool. We're gonna make some magic. Let's skip ahead. We know how it works. It's processing, it's thinking. Okay, check this out. Hey, y'all saw what it looked like before? Let's see the after. Wait for it. Oh! ¡Qué bonito! Look at that gorgeous pan. Let's see, you can turn that off. Do you remember what I was really doing in real life? Oh my gosh, that was that. No. Okay. I'm living for the beat drop. I'm loving my edits after that, but what is this? What is this about? Okay, here's the deal, y'all. It's only like 2 seconds worth of time. Thank you, Paul, for the offer to make a graphic, but that's not gonna be enough time for people to read it. I don't wanna find a shorter clip because I'm trying to cut those fast, quick cuts after the beat drop. Editing is all about spacing, timing. So, yes, can we make this clip longer? Paul, I wish I could do that. There's just no more clip. Can't do it. You know, normally we might do something like slow-mo this shot, right? But it's already slow motion. That's not gonna work. We've all used hold frames egregiously. That's definitely not gonna work. But check it out, I got a fresh new tool today in today's beta called Generative Extend. Okay, check this out. Ready for this?
Let's go.
Ooh, where there was nothing, now there is something, okay? This is powered by the new Adobe Firefly video model. This is to extend video and audio. This is so incredible. And you know, with the magic of the Adobe Max stage, boom, we're time traveling. Okay, so before I even play that back, let's just go over here to where the first, or end of our clip actually was, okay? I'm gonna do a quick cut because I just want to put those new frames on a different track so that we can all be really clear where the new frames are and the old frames were. Let's start that jam again. Yes! Wow!
And again, some of the frame like this were ruined by flash. And if you take a closer look, the explosion of the firework completely overexposed the frame, and there's no way that you can use content verifier to fix this. Well, let's use product clean machine. First detect, and then remove.
Whoa.
All the flashes are gone. Well, let's go back to that frame, man, and see. Just look at this.
Oh, wow.
Just look at this. You see? Product clean machine not only removed the flash, it also recovered all the details in this overexposed area. This is amazing, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
All right, you know, for those two cases, since only a few frames were affected, you can probably just drop them, delete them. You wouldn't end up as a very choppy video. But what if you have a video like this? You see, nearly half of the frames all contain flashes, and you can't just drop them. Otherwise, half of the video will be chopped off. So let's use let's use product clean machine. You know the drill. First, detect, and then remove. Just within a few seconds, all those flashes are gone.
Sound designers, they often use their voice to sketch an idea, right, of how they want things to sound. So wouldn't it be neat if I could use that workflow to drive my generation? Well, with Project Supersonic, this is not sci-fi, we can do just that. Check this out. I am going to hit record, and I'm going to imitate the monster growls with my voice. All right? So the moment I hit this little red button, please hush, hush, everyone, because we're going to be recording. All right, here we go. Rah! 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 All right, so. We got the growls down. Now let's see what we get back. I'm gonna type in monster growl and I'm gonna hit generate. And it's going to be using the precise timing, dynamics, and energy of my voice to drive the generation. And so we'll give it a couple more seconds to do its magic. All right. Yeah, well, the growls, there's a lot to take in there. Those are good growls. There's a lot to take in there.
No.
Oh, there we go. We got it. And of course, we get, let's crank up the volume. I want to see what we got. All right, are we ready, everyone? Yes. Let's see what we get. Whoa. This is too much fun, so I feel like I'm on a roll, so let's just do one more. Let's add the wings flapping, the kind of the whoosh sounds. So I'm going to hit record audio, and again, we're going to record. Here we go. Hush, hush, everyone.
Whoosh, whoosh.
All right, and I guess I'll type in whoosh. Let's hit generate. Now it's going to be doing its magic. All right, okay, and here we go. Let's check it out. All right, not too bad. Let's go and listen to what we got from the top.
Video model designed to be safe for commercial use. Let me say that again. The Firefly video model is the first publicly available video model designed to be commercially safe. It is really following everything we've done because just like all the other Firefly models, it's only trained on content that we have the right to use. And everything you're looking at behind me was made with the Firefly video model. A few things to notice. Amazing detail. Real-world physics. Accurate text rendering. Realistic motion. And high-quality camera angles and movement. Now, in addition to text-to-video support, the Firefly video model has world-class image-to-video support. Give it a static image, tell it what you want it to do, and it will turn it into a video for you. And finally, the model has exceptional prompt coherence. So you can write incredibly intricate prompts, and the model will generate the clips, the B-roll, the visual effects, and more. And as I mentioned, our primary focus with these model development is integration into the tools and to augment your creative workflows.